friends, this is Sairam again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox Samsung Galaxy Tab A 8.1 inch. Come on guys, let's unbox it. So guys, this is Samsung Tab A and let's see the specifications of this tab. And by seeing back side, we see the 1.4 GHz quad core processor. It's a 4G Full HD 1080p and 5000 mAh battery, which comes with 2GB RAM and 32GB ROM. And next we see the tab inside first, inside the cover, and let's take out the tab out of this cover. And guys, this tab is it is in metal black color. And next inside we see a travel adapter of 10 volts travel adapter. Yeah guys, it's a 10 volts travel adapter. And next we see a cable. It's micro USB cable guys. This cable is a micro USB cable, which is a small downgrade of this tab. Actually the tab is the most of the tabs are getting type C cable, but this tab got a micro USB cable. And let's boot the tab. Yeah guys, first we found the Samsung Galaxy Tab A powered by Android. Guys, we purchased this tab for 11,990 rupees, and as this is a 2GB 32GB variant. So guys, I booted the tab. Let's see how smooth it is. Guys, it's smooth. Let's go to the settings and let's check the software information of the tab. Guys, now down we see the about tablet, and the next software information down over there. And next let's check the Android version. Guys, it's Android 10, the latest version. Android 10 we are having. It's the latest version guys, Android 10 with the tab. Is amazing thing we got here in the budget. And next let's check the camera quality of this tab. Guys, let's take the photo of this. Let's see how clarity it is. Wow guys, it's a nice quality camera. It's of 8 megapixel. The front camera is of 5 megapixel guys. Totally the tab is nice. The tab is amazing guys. I'm using it since 1 week. There is no lag in the tab, and there's a triple card SIM slot. And now we find the speakers and a micro USB port. And at the top is found a 3.5mm jack. At back we see the camera of 8 megapixel and the Samsung logo. It's of metal black color, and backside it's totally metal. So overall the tab is nice guys. If you are interested, you can purchase the tab. It's a nice tab guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you are interested to buy the tab, I'll provide the links in my description. You can buy, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for the new video. Thank you guys.